Before installing a battery, you should always refer to the vehicle's operating manual for specific fitment advice. A replacement battery may vary from the original factory-fitted battery. In most cases, the replacement battery can be installed without any modification or adjustment. However, it is advisable to always check the replacement battery against the existing one to ensure that the size, hold down, terminal configuration, cranking capacity and bonnet clearance are suitable for the application. Battery installation should never be undertaken with the key in the on or accessories position. This will help avoid the possibility of damage to the electrical components. Always refer to the vehicle's operating manual before commencing. Connect memory minder to protect radio programming and remove keys from the vehicle for safety. Tip: sometimes the radio pin code is already lost before fitment of memory minder. Locate the positive terminal and mark plus on the cable. Remove the negative cable first, usually black in colour. Remove the positive terminal and battery hold down. Inspect the tray for corrosion. If necessary, clean using baking soda and water. Rinse with clean water. Place the new battery in the tray and ensure the battery is level and the terminal posts are in the same position as the old battery. Replace the hold down and ensure the battery is secure. Replace the positive terminal lead and tighten. Replace the negative terminal lead and tighten. The negative terminal should always be replaced last. Never over-tighten or hammer the terminal onto the battery, as this can damage the posts and the battery cover. Check the open circuit voltage. It should read 12.5 volts for a new battery when correctly fitted.